desert journey. As the sun dipped lower, painting the sky amber and rose, the bus moved steadily over the desert highway. Inside, the passenger swayed with its motion, enveloped in old leather and dust, mingling with anticipation. Among them, Sarah sat quietly, clutching a thermos filled with her grandmother's spiced tea. A comforting essence of warmth and nostalgia, the crisp air whispered of winter, promising spring's gentle embrace. Sarah gazed out the window, her thoughts tangled with uncertainty. Her meditation was interrupted by an older man beside her, his kind eyes framed by silver hair radiated warmth. May I? He gestured to the thermos with a nod. Grateful, Sarah poured a cup, the sweet scent rising like a prayer. The man offered a verse, be a window for the light resonating in the dim bus, inviting her to embrace the divine. As night cloaked the journeying bus, rain began tapping the windows, its rhythm matching Sarah's anxious heart. The rain whispered renewal, she closed her eyes, retreating within, seeking her soul's voice. Lord of mercy, she whispered, I am lost and burdened, show me the way. Her prayer floated upwards, mingling with the steam. Silence followed, alive and listening. A peace seeped into her heart, dispelling shadows. Beside her, the stranger murmured amen, joining her plea, strengthening her resolve. Surrendering to the light, the bus journeyed through the rain-soaked night, feeling the shift within. Sarah opened her eyes to find the man watching with understanding. Sometimes, he said softly, we forget to let the light through. His words soothed her, and she realized she needed to release her fears. It was time to open a window to let divine light through her soul. A gentle resolve took root, courage for transformation dawned. The road stretched ahead, paved with promises. As dawn unfurled, Sarah bowed her head, a transformation blooming in her heart. Holy One, she breathed, give me the courage to be a window for your light. Confession at dawn, spring stirred in her heart as Sarah turned to the stranger, her voice clear. She shared her story, offering her vulnerability, her mistakes and unconfessed truths. The man listened deeply, offering no judgment, only understanding that wrapped her in grace. Empowered by confession, Sarah felt a strength flow within, unshackling her spirit. She resolved to face those she needed with honesty. When she reached her destination, the silent blessing of hope. The bus pulled into the station as the sun rose, casting a hopeful glow. Sarah stepped into the morning air, aware of the transformation within, as though she had become a window for light, a vessel of grace and truth. Shepherd of my soul, guide my steps through shadowed paths. May your light shine through me, dispelling the darkness within. Grant me the courage to speak truth and the grace to offer love. In your presence I find peace and strength. A light in the rain, act I, city of shadows. Dusk settles over the city. Street lamps flicker into life, casting shadows in the rain-soaked alleys. The sky a bruised gray promises more rain, and neon signs hum like distant stars, their vibrant colors reflecting on the pavement. I tighten my coat against the chill, but feel the cold biting my bones. The scent of rain mingles with the city's pulse, a symphony of honking cars and hurried footsteps. Amidst this, I stand feeling lost until an old psalm surfaces, my grandmother's voice soothing. The Lord of mercy is my comfort and my song. Closing my eyes, I pray, Lord of mercy, I am weary and burdened. Guide me through this storm. Let my faith, though dim, burn bright. My plea matches my heartbeat, warm stirring within, subtle as a whisper. It is as if the Lord Himself wraps me in an unseen embrace. On the edge of forgiveness, the city's towers loom, glass and steel forming an imposing fortress. The rain steady him upon to ease my internal struggle, drawn to a narrow stairwell. Each creaking step reflects my weariness. The walls cracked with peeling paint, smell of dampness, echoes of forgotten rains. Scenes from my argument with my brother replay, words like knives leaving deep scars. I pause on the stairs, regret pressing heavily, sinking onto the steps. The chill touches my skin and my heart clenches. Shepherd of my soul, I whisper, tracing the railings rough forgive my harshness, help me mend what I've broken. As my prayer fades, clarity washes over me, lifting confusion and guiding me towards reconciliation. This moment opens a window to divine understanding. My steps feeling lighter, driven by an unseen hand urging action. The fire within emerging into the night. The city's orange lit windows glow against the indigo sky. Beacons promising safety and warmth. I stand at my brother's door, heart thudding with fear and anticipation. I knock, the sound firm, despite my hesitation, echoing with inevitability. When he opens the door, his face mirrors mine, shadows of our exchange lingering. The dry heat of his apartment contrasts the night, grounding me. I'm sorry, I say, words flowing naturally like first rain on parched earth, promising renewal. I've been prideful and harsh, can we start anew? He nods, understanding passing between us, a silent exchange of forgiveness and hope. Hope flickers within, faith rekindling, shedding light on our path to healing. In this quiet moment, I sense God's presence in our shared warmth and forgiveness. Holy One, light the flame of faith within me. Guide my steps through the shadows, heal my heart with your mercy, and let your love transform my soul. Amen. The small bells on the door jingling softly. The crisp morning air nipped at my skin, while dawn painted the sky with hues of promise. The bakery was my refuge, where flour lay like soft snow on the worn wooden countertops. A place where dreams were as tangible as the dough beneath my fingers. Every morning I dusted flour with reverence, tracing holy scriptures in the sacred quiet before the world awoke. Here, amidst the comforter aroma of yeast and the warmth of ovens, my heart turned fully to God. As I shaped the dough, I prayed, Lord of mercy, let my hands mold hope into this bread. Let it nourish those who need it most. The kneading rhythm became prayer itself, each fold and stretch a petition for grace and strength, echoing my soul's deepest yearnings. Across the street stood another bakery, a Amir's arrival by circumstance. Competition brewed quietly in our small community, each loaf a silent challenge. Our exchanges were few but meaningful, and not here a lifted brow, there gestures that spoke volumes of shared dreams and humble beginnings. Yet an unspoken respect lingered in our shattered glances. Tension peaked when a batch of my sourdough failed. The yeast rebelled, leaving nothing but a thick, stubborn slab. Distress clung like flour dust, whispering doubts in crisis. I prayed, shepherd of my soul, I am lost. Guide me as you would a prodigal son. Let me find your path now. Silence settled around me like a comforting cloak, lighting a flicker of hope in my heart, a gentle nudge beyond my worry. God's guidance led me across the street to Amir's door, his brows lifted in surprise, revealing curiosity and kindness. I held out the loaf. Amir, would you share your wisdom? I struggle with my bread. Amir's eyes softened, a smile welcoming me inside. The scent of his baking, cinnamon and anise swirled like whispers of home. Together we prayed, hands resting on the work table. Holy One, bless the bonds we forged today. May this shared moment weave peace between us. As we worked side by side, kneading struggles into new beginnings, I felt transformation in my soul. No longer rivals, but brothers in bread, touched by a simple act of grace. Each loaf rising was a testament to hope, the crusts forming golden promises. The light beyond dawn fully broke upon my return, the sun's rays blessing the earth anew. The warmth filled me with peace, like meeting an old friend with new wisdom. Peace settled over me as flour dust always began my day. Each prayer, each piece of bread was a light forward, a beacon guiding unity and understanding. Amir and I continued to bake, sharing recipes and prayers, stories and dreams, our rivalry forgotten, our bakeries thrive together. A symbol of unity planted in shared soil. Every loaf was a testament to the bond formed in prayer and breaking bread together. Divine Creator, thank you for the breaking of bread, nourishing body and soul. Guide us toward your light, walking in unity